Here's a DIY hair oil recipe using Amla, Retha, and Shikakai for long and strong hair, without any harmful ingredients. Ingredients: Amla Indian gooseberry powder 2 tablespoons, Retha soapnut powder 2 tablespoons, Shikakai powder 2 tablespoons, coconut oil 1 cup, or any carrier oil like olive oil or almond oil. Instructions: 1. Preparation of the herbal mix. Mix Amla, Retha, and Shikakai powders in a small bowl. Make sure the proportions are equal for each. 2. Heat the oil. Pour the coconut oil into a saucepan and heat it on low flame. Once the oil is warm, not boiling, add the herbal mixture to the oil. 3. Infusion process. Stir the mixture occasionally while keeping the flame on low. Let the oil and herbs infuse together for about 15–20 minutes. Ensure it doesn't boil. We just want to infuse the goodness of the herbs into the oil. 4. Cool and strain. Once the oil is well infused and has turned a darker shade, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. After cooling, strain the oil using a muslin cloth or fine strainer to remove the powder residue. 5. Store and use. Store the oil in a clean, airtight bottle. You can apply this oil to your scalp and hair 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Benefits: Amla strengthens the hair roots and prevents premature graying. Retha helps cleanse the scalp and hair naturally. Shikakai adds shine, strengthens hair, and promotes hair growth. This oil is completely natural and will nourish your hair without the use of chemicals.